Hello friend, today I will tell you how to make Cendralla mocktail. Take a glass, add 10 to 12 cube of ice cube, then add 90 ml of orange juice, then add 90 ml of pineapple juice, then add 90 ml of lychee juice, 20 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then take a hurricane glass. Pour all the drinks into a hurricane glass. Then add 20 ml of grenadine syrup. Then stir the grenadine with the help of stirrers. Serve with straw. Then garnish the mocktail with orange slice. Then garnish with mint spring. So your mocktail is ready. Thank you for watching my video.